In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create level design MESHY AI. We'll build a game world by generating modular 3D assets in MESHY, arranging environments, and getting everything ready for engines like Unity or Unreal. MESHY shines for environment props, buildings, terrain pieces, sci-fi corridors, fantasy worlds, dungeon assets, stylized maps, and modular kits, and most creators pair it with Blender and a game engine for the final assembly. Start by planning. Before you generate anything, define your theme, art style, gameplay flow, environment mood, and color palette. To keep everything cohesive, set a few clear style pillars, materials, mood, silhouette, and a consistent color palette. These guardrails help AI outputs match each other, so your level feels like a single intentional world rather than a mix of disconnected pieces. Next, head to the MESHY workspace. Here you'll find tools like text to 3D and image to 3D for generating models, as well as texture, remesh, and animate. Think of this space as your production floor where ideas turn into usable assets. Now generate modular assets instead of a single giant level. Focus on reusable building blocks such as walls, floors, doors, crates, trees, rocks, pillars, stairs, and bridges. Create 3 to 5 variations for each category and pick the cleanest silhouette first. This approach makes blockouts fast and keeps your performance in check as you assemble larger scenes. Keep your asset style consistent as you go. Reuse the same keywords, color palette, and material descriptions, and lean on style reference images. A handy workflow is to take a screenshot of an asset you like, upload it to image to 3D, and use it as a style reference for new props. This guides proportions, surface detail, and color harmony across your set. After generating models, optimize them. Open Remesh to reduce polygon counts for real-time performance, and choose quad topology if you plan to edit in Blender. Proper remeshing ensures your assets are game-ready and performant across Unity, Unreal, and even mobile targets. Finally, add AI textures. Use Meshy's texture tools to create stone, metal, moss, dirt, wood grain, and sci-fi panels. Regenerate textures until they align with your pillars and keep roughness and metallic characteristics consistent so lighting behaves predictably across the scene. With your modular, consistent, optimized, and textured assets in hand, you can assemble the full level in Blender or directly in your engine. Place pieces, iterate on layout and gameplay flow, and you'll have a polished, cohesive world built with MESHY AI.